You are not going to believe where I am. This is truly a once in a lifetime thing. You can see that there's a overlook. There's the cave. So there is the visitor center, and that is Cliff House. So what I mean is I'm on the rock that you're not supposed to be on. Typically, this is all you can get on it because the water's up about that high, but due to the super low tide that we're having, so I'm able to get up here. You can see that there's that rock with the hole there, seal rock. So there's Cliff House behind me. So this is truly a once in a lifetime thing because I don't think I'll ever get up here again. It's kind of scary actually. I feel like I'm walking in the moon. See that? Scary. And the water's coming in. You can see the water coming in behind me. Ooh, so we better get off. Bye-bye.